I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clear image of the text. Make sure lighting is even and the page is flat. Next, import the photo into your OCR-enabled app or image editor so you can extract text. Once loaded, select the area with the text using a marquee or lasso tool. This focuses recognition and reduces errors. Make sure the language and output format are set, plain text, Word, or searchable PDF, because choosing the right target saves time during correction and export later. Now run the OCR process. Pick the correct language and layout options so the system recognizes columns, tables, and fonts accurately. Once recognition finishes, inspect the output in a text or layout editor and compare it to the original image. Fix misread characters. Common issues are O versus 0, L versus I, and restore line breaks and paragraphing. If the document uses columns or tables, adjust flow and alignment. Manually reflow text, where OCR jammed to preserve the original structure. Finish by editing the recognized text. Apply formatting, correct punctuation, and run a spell check to catch OCR-specific mistakes. Once done, export to your desired format, docx for editing, searchable PDF for archiving, and save a copy of the original image in case you need another pass. If results are poor, retry OCR at a higher DPI, use contrast adjustments, or switch engines. This often fixes stubborn errors. As a troubleshooting tip, rescanning at 300 DPI plus sharpening usually resolves most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.